Welcome to another episode here on your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in today's episode, I'm going to show you all this cool little way that you can use filters to help keep things from falling through the cracks. So let's get started. As you see here, I've opened up TickTick on my desktop. And in today's episode, we want to focus on filters specifically geared towards tags. So in my system, I typically, whenever I enter a task, I will say, call Ryan tomorrow, right? So I got that in there. Now, typically I would right-click on it and add it to my personal inbox, right? Or maybe it's a professional, whichever one it is. This is a one-time task, so I'll add it there. Now that I've done that, there's something I forgot to do. So periodically through the day, I will go down here to my filters and I will look at my no tag filter. And this is handy. The way I set this up, by the way, is if I right click and hit edit, I just put in no tags and put a little indicator, little emoji. And I have list all tags, no tags, because when you click here, you can select a no tags, and then the date is all, and the priority is all, and then that's it. So that's all I did was change that to no tags. Hit save, and now it'll show me all of my items that did not get tagged, because I want them to be tagged because it's very useful. Like on this one, I might put a tag as personal. I might also put a tag as phone, right? I might put whatever else is relevant to that based upon the tags that I have set up. Maybe I need to tag it as a Google Drive because maybe I have a Google document. When I call Ryan, I need to go over that with him, whatever that might be, right? So I want to have that tagged so I can use filters to filter stuff down to see what I want to do. So for instance, maybe I have another phone call in there for today. Let's say call today, Julie, about meeting. Well, I have that also in my personal, right? But if you notice, this one's for tomorrow and this one's for today. Well, I need to tag those with a phone, right? So if I go in here and put in phone, by the way, something I've tend to do occasionally, which is kind of forgetting to do things right the proper way. When you click and you tag a phone, you're not done. Don't just click off. It didn't do anything, as you see. When you hit that and you type in phone, right, you got to hit OK to tag it that, okay? Once it's done, it'll be out of there for you, okay? So there you go. So now I have tagged those properly. Now, the cool thing about it is I can go here to my phone filter and see the phone calls that I got set up. Maybe I want to go ahead and call Ryan today instead of tomorrow. So it'll show me all of my phone calls that I have under the tag phone. So these are ways you can set up your filter so things don't fall through the cracks, specifically as no tags. I also have one for no dates assigned. So sometimes I'll forget when I put in a item in my task here, like buy milk. I'm going really fast, right? And I just go ahead and I say, yeah, let me go ahead and move that over. Well, I forgot to do what? Add a date to it. So it'll show up here in my no dates assigned right here. So I say, oh yeah. So I check this periodically during the day, specifically in the morning when I plan my day, see if there's any tasks that I forgot to add dates to. So in this situation, I'll go ahead and put that for today and it's out of there. Now, these are under projects. These projects I know that I don't want to assign a date yet because I haven't decided when I want to do them yet, so I'm okay with them being there. I also have one to catch any personal tags that I forgot to tag. So like for instance, these, I forgot to add a personal tag, but maybe this is a hotel Well, that's fine. If I want to tag that for my day job, right, it'll still go out of here because even though this is personal tags, I want to catch any that's no personal tag, but also it'll help me catch any that don't have any tags on it at all, whether that's my day job or personal. Okay. So now this one, I know this one though. This one's also for the Hamptons, so I'll go ahead and do that like that. And then maybe this one right here is for personal, right? Just like that. So these are ways you can do that. Now, I don't have to have a personal Hampton tag since I have a list that already puts them in there. Maybe it's redundancy. I don't know. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. You decide how you want to utilize your tasks as far as tags go, okay? Overdue, I have an overdue filter, so anything that fell through the cracks that I forgot to get accomplished on another day, it'll show up here. So I hope this episode was useful for y'all, and if it was, don't forget to hit that like button right down below, and if you want to see more of these videos in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. With that being said, I want to wish y'all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you next episode. Take care.